Safe opening. If you're locked out of your safe, whether a malfunction or you've forgotten your combination, just give us a call. We're very, very good at opening safes. If you need your safe serviced, repaired, if you've had a temp break-in. I love the new digital locks on the safes, but there's basically two versions. There's the inexpensive digital keyless pad that you punch your number in. Geez, a lot of those inexpensive ones are breaking like crazy. They're just malfunctioning and not opening. The number one thing you can do for the inexpensive safes, as well as the commercial grade digital keypads, or punch pads, is change the batteries. People are putting the wrong batteries in, or they're putting old batteries. Most safes that have the digital keypads, the batteries are external. It's only on some of these offshore made safes where the batteries are inside, which is crazy, but there's sometimes a key override. So if you're locked out of your safe or it's malfunctioned, give us a call. Sometimes we can open them without any drilling. If we're probably the most common safe we're opening right now is the Sentry safes. They're electronic digital pads. They just seem to be breaking. And unfortunately, in most cases, you can't get replacement parts. The commercial grade stuff is really good. Usually people have just lost the combination, or it's simple. It hasn't been serviced for 10 or 15 or 20 years. And usually we can get that open without drilling. However, some safes, if you've lost the combination, the only way of opening it is to drill it or manipulate it, depending upon the make. One thing that really helps us is if you can send us a picture of the safe. Give us a call, we'll tell you where to email it, text us pictures of your safe. But if I get a picture of your safe, the manufacturer, and if you can give me a close-up of the dial, so whether it's a combination dial or a digital keypad, usually I can tell you what make and model you have, and we can give you an almost exact quote to open up that safe. So if you need safe opening services, safe opening near you, near me, give us a call. We'll help you through any problems you have and give you the best solution to help you.